You know, you don't have Taiwan culture. That's why Taiwanese like Mr. O want to stand up say no. Because there's no reason why you have to hate Chinese, right? Because we are not hating Chinese. Chinese people is nice, they have good culture. The problem is, they try to say, Taiwanese, your culture is inferior, right? And everything has culture with Taiwan, they say it's Bei, like Beinan, baby, small. That's why we are against it. And I like your talk this morning in church. You say there is a 1996 Barcelona 宣言 announcement that the world, all the language has the right to be respected, right? And the KMT government try to not respect Taiwan. That's why we are against it. You're Chinese, American, that's fine. But like the United States say, you're Chinese American, it's good. You're Taiwanese American, it's good. But in Taiwan, the KMT government, they try to say no. That's why we are against it, right? And that's why you say you don't want to be Chinese. Because somebody say you are not Taiwanese, that's why you say I'm not Chinese. Correct?
Yeah.
Okay. So this
I like this question.
so this world language right announcement say every native, like a Taiwanese native, has the right to be discriminated. We are discriminated by KMT. You know, they are going to disappear next year. Which we are happy, right?
Yeah.
And they say you have the right to use your language, to, you know, to name your language, everything, to educate, to be educated,
Develop.
and your culture to be developed.
Yeah. Develop our own culture with
And
our
then
own
with
language.
with all your education system, your language, your writing, and you are pay attention to your writing, creative writing of novels, poems. And because you are a very rare people to do this, because you may be only 0.5% of people are doing this, right? And we are majority, we don't know anything. That's the problem. But I'm glad you bring up this, you stand up, and you say, you know, I have a mark here, I'm not Chinese, you know that? So I have the right to use my language, I want to promote my language, and I accept that. And I think even I'm older than you, I'm going to learn from you.
Oh, thank you.